Now we will going to see the two special cases regarding Rauthat's criteria. So in these two special cases, the regular way of calculating the rows will be not as usual. So now we are going to see how to modify the RH criteria for these two special cases. The first special case is when the first element of a row in the RH array becomes 0, and the second special case is when all the elements of any row will become zeros. So first we are going to study the first case. So when the first element in any of the row will be having a term 0, so definitely you cannot calculate the next row, because to calculate the next row, so it will going to be in the denominator 0 term, hence it will become indeterminate. So now what we need to do in that case is we need to replace that 0 by a small positive integer, that is epsilon, okay? And then we need to continue the process of completing the Routh table. Now the number of sign changes in the first column of the Routh array is calculated after substituting limit as epsilon tends to 0. Okay, so now we are going to take an example and see. The characteristic equation given here is s power 5 plus 2s4 plus 3s cube plus 6s square plus 2s plus 1. So it meets the two necessary conditions. So what are those conditions? All the coefficients of s must be having the same sign. All of them are having the positive sign here. And what is the second one? So none of the coefficient should be equal to 0. So you can see here from 5 to s to the power 0, all the terms are there. So now we are going to form the Routh array. So here the highest power of s is s to the power 5, and the coefficients will be formed by using the first term coefficient, that is 1. Similarly the third term, here it is 3, and the fifth one, so that is here 2. Similarly the next row will be s to the power 4. So here the coefficients are for the even terms. The coefficients are here 2, then 6, and then here it is 1. So after forming the first two rows, now we need to calculate the remaining rows. Now to calculate the s cube row, you can see here you need to multiply 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 6. Okay, so 6 minus 6 will be equal to 0, that divided by 2. So that means it will be going to be 0 value. Similarly now to calculate the next element, here it will be 4 minus 1, 3 divided by 2, so that will be 1.5. Okay, so now here these two terms will be there in the s cube row. So now if I want to calculate the s square row, what will be the first term here? So now we need to use the s cube and the s to the power 4 row. So if I am going to use the calculations, then it will be 6 into 0 minus 2 into 1.5, so that divided by 0. So divided by 0 will be an indeterminate form, or it will be infinity. So here the Routh array breaks. So now what we need to do as the remedy for this special case, so here we need to substitute the epsilon in place of 0, and then we need to complete the array with the epsilon. So epsilon is a small positive integer. So next we need to check for the sign change by taking limit as epsilon tending to 0. So now see here the s cube row, we need to replace it by epsilon. So now we need to complete the s square row. So here the element will be 6 epsilon minus 3, so divided by epsilon. Okay, so the second element will be epsilon minus 0, so divided by epsilon, so we are going to get here 1 back. So this forms the square row. Now we need to calculate the s to the power 1 row. So what is the multiplication that we need to do? These two terms minus epsilon. Okay, so divided by 6 epsilon minus 3 divided by epsilon, as it is written here. So what will be the second element? So second element will be equal to 0. So now we need to lastly form the s to the power 0 row. Okay, so to get the s to the power 0 row element, we need to multiply these two terms and then minus 0, so divided by this whole term. Okay, hence we are going to get here 1 back. So this is how we need to complete the Routh array with epsilon in place of 0. So next, now we need to examine the sign change by taking the limit as epsilon tending to 0 wherever epsilon is there in the first column. So no need to worry about the other columns, only we need to take care of the first column sign change. So now for the first term here, so it is 6 epsilon minus 3 divided by epsilon as epsilon tending to 0. Now you can see very clearly here we are going to get minus infinity. Okay, so why it is minus infinity? So this term will be 0 as epsilon tending to 0, and if we are going to substitute 0 here by applying limits, so then it will be minus 3 divided by epsilon tending to 0, hence it will be minus infinity. So make sure that you are getting the sign change very correctly. Okay, so whenever the minus sign will be there, so it will be minus infinity. Okay, so this is where you go wrong in the examination calculations. So next there is one more term is there, which is in the s to the power 1 row. Now first you need to simplify it. Okay, so if you are going to simplify it, so this is what you are going to get. Okay, so now we need to apply the limit as epsilon tending to 0, so this term will become 0, this term will become 0, and this term will become 0 when epsilon tends to 0. So now the remaining term will be minus 4.5 divided by minus 3, so that is minus by minus, so they will going to cancel with each other, hence you are going to get here 1.5 plus. So this is the sign for the s to the power 1 row. Okay, so now we are going to see the sign changes in total. Okay, so you can see very clearly here from s cube row to s square row there is a sign change here, because epsilon is considered as a small positive term, and if you see here it is minus infinity, so that means a sign is changing from plus to minus. Similarly from s square to s to the power 1 row, so there is one more sign change, that is from minus infinity to plus 1.5. So total number of sign changes in this particular problem is 2. Hence what we can conclude, out of the 5 roots, 2 roots will be lying on the right hand side of S plane, because 2 sign changes are there in the first column, hence the system will going to be unstable 1.